blue strip, light blue strip and a white strip, and these are 2¼ inches wide, and I need either white and light blue or white and dark blue. So you basically, you get your 2¼ inch wide strip and lay right sides together, another 2¼ inch strip on top of it, and then sew the full length 1/4 inch on both sides. So as you can see, I've sewn both strips, the dark blue and the light blue, to white, both sides, 1/4 inch seam allowance. Don't press them at the moment. I've got my small, this is a 6½ inch square ruler, and now I'm trying to get this so I can do it and you can see it. If you look on your ruler, you probably won't see it very well. I'll see if I can put some masking tape on to show. Oh no, won't do any good. Yeah, just a second. The only tape I could find was this gaffer tape, but I put it along the line. There is a 45-degree line, then you might be able to pick it out better. Now, to make your first cut, you can either go from your stitching line at the bottom or your stitching line at the top, whichever you want to do. I'm going to go stitching line from the bottom and get it completely on there and more or less to your corner. Hold it down and retro cut. And it is very awkward for me, but I'm going to persevere. It hasn't gone all the way through, so just clip where it didn't. Now that you can now come across and do the same the opposite way around. Put it on your stitching line, find your 2½ inches down and put that on your cut line. There it is. Now, because this is awkward for me, I'm just going to mark it and then whoop. Where's that gone? I've dropped my pen top, but I'll find it in a bit, or Mason will find it. But that's where I want it to be, so that's where I'll cut it. I'll do it from this side and then you can see. So, Mason, find me pen top. Cut. And there we have it. And while we're here, I just trim off the corners. Or you can get your scissors and trim off the corners. and that, when it's opened out, is a 2.5 inch triangle square. And you can see on my mat, if I just hold it like that, it covers 2.5 inches. So you get it exactly right. So for the next one, you put your 45-degree line on your stitching, find the 2.5 mark and put it on your where you've just cut, and then up. And that, sometimes you get the odd stitch at the top, but that's nothing. And that one is 2.5 inches. Do the dog ears while you're here. And as you can see, again, a 2.5 inch half square triangle. And you can carry on all the way along. Like I said, out of these two strips, with also 2.5 inch squares for the corners, I will get 3 blocks from it. And this is the waste, the bit of waste. Nothing. So I'll carry on cutting them out. When they're cut out, take them to the iron, and I don't press my seams open, I press them to the darker side. So make sure you press well. This is what I've got to do, is press better than I normally did yesterday.